Good morning, students. How are you and your family? In our last class, we discussed abstinence. We looked at the definition of abstinence, the different types of abstinence, and reasons why young people engage in premarital sex. That's reason why young people do not abstain from premarital sex. This morning, we shall be looking at chemicals. Say it, everybody. Chemicals. Fine. Let's look at the contents. Under this, we shall be looking at the meaning of chemicals, the different classes of chemicals. We have the classes based on use and classes of chemicals based on hazardous nature. Let's look at the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to define chemicals, should be able to state the classes of chemicals based on use, and you should be able to explain the three classes of chemicals based on hazardous nature. Now let's look at the meaning of chemicals. Chemicals are substances with specific molecular composition. A chemical can be in form of a gas, liquid, or solid. These are the three nature in which chemical exists. It can be in form of liquid, as we have water, for example, urine, milk. All these are even gasoline, which is fuel, mercury, bromine. They are what? They are liquid chemicals. In form of gas, we have oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. All these are gaseous form of chemicals. Also, chemical can be in form of solid. Example, we have lithium, silicon, calcium, or magnesium, etc. All these occur in form of solid. It can also be in complex or simple form. Chemical can be in simple form or in complex form. They can be in form of elements, compound, and mixtures. A chemical can be in form of elements, chemical, or even mixture. Chemical can appear in form of mixture. Now let's look at the different classes of chemicals. The first one is classification of chemicals based on uses. 1. We have the pharmaceutical chemical. Say it, everybody. Pharmaceutical chemicals, nuclear chemicals, agrochemicals, industrial chemicals, and laboratory chemicals. These are the 5 major classes of chemical based on their uses. Now let's look at the first one, the pharmaceutical chemicals. They are chemicals formulated to act as remedy on living cells. They could be herbal or chemical synthesis. So they are majorly used for making drugs such as antibiotics, antiseptic, etc. So these pharmaceutical chemicals are the chemicals that are used in making our drugs. So from the screen you can see that we have different drugs on the screen, tablets, capsule. So all these chemicals, they are used in making these drugs. Let's look at the second one, nuclear chemicals. They are chemicals that function based on the activities within the nucleus. So some of these chemicals can split or disintegrate, that they can decay through the process of radioactivity. So it can be used for positive or negative purpose. So these nuclear chemicals have both positive and negative usage. Example of the negative usage is the bomb blast. So they use all this chemical in making bomb and some other nuclear weapon. And for the positive usage, it is used during X-ray. So these are the nuclear chemicals. We have agrochemicals. So these are chemicals used for agricultural processes. Examples are the pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, and organic manure. So all the agrochemicals are used in agricultural chemicals. All these chemicals that are used during agriculture, like herbicide, fertilizer, etc. You can see on the screen farmers spraying their farmland with some chemicals. So these are the agrochemicals.